Hey loves, it's Shelby. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you.
So I have some printables that I said I was gonna stop talking, but then I realized I didn't tell you guys about this. So these are like basically images on Pinterest that I found that I really loved, and I wanted to like make them into stickers so that I could put them in my book. It was really important that I have like some black art in my book. I love Deborah Cartwright, especially her like images from about 5 years ago when she used to mess with watercolor a lot. So I went ahead and printed off these, made them into stickers, cut them on my portrait, and I'm going to be adding them into my planner. Not all of these for this week, but I definitely want to use a few of them for this week. And then this one was a free printable that I found online that was like, Valentine's Day themed that I wanted to use. So I'll be using those two primarily for this week. If you guys want links to either of these, I can definitely share them. Just let me know in the comments. Alright, so I am all done. It's a little bit busier than I planned, but nonetheless, I am very happy because really my main thing was I really wanted the art on here, and then I just wanted like the pops of color. You will notice that like these are a little bit smaller than the actual box, and I had some issues with the cutting machine, so I had to make them smaller than the printable itself came when I got it from the website that I found it on. So that's why these are a little bit smaller. I couldn't leave them at regular size, otherwise I wasn't going to be able to cut them on the cutter. So I did kind of run into an issue with this printable. But I'm happy with it overall. It will serve its purpose for this week, and like I said, this is only my second time doing this, so we'll see. We'll see how things go with like decorating my planner.
Bye bye.
And just using my planner to try to get organized for my business and for everything that we have going on with life. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.